Every parent knows the chaos. Kids play hard, then the floor looks like a toy explosion. It's cleanup, endless kneeling, and frustration. This is a scene we're all too familiar with. The tiny Lego pieces that seem to multiply, the dolls scattered everywhere, the cars parked in every corner of the room. It feels like a never-ending battle against clutter. You spend what feels like hours on your hands and knees, picking up each individual toy, your back aching, your patience wearing thin. By the time you're done, you're exhausted, and you know it's only a matter of time before it happens all over again. But what if I told you there's a better way? Change the game with this simple trick. Before playtime starts, lay out a big fitted sheet or blanket right on the floor. It's so easy. Just grab an old sheet, one you don't mind getting a little wear and tear on, and spread it out in the middle of their play area. This creates a designated play zone, a boundary that keeps the creative chaos contained. It's the perfect setup for a stress-free afternoon. Once the sheet is down, dump all the toys on it and let them go wild. Everything stays contained. No more chasing pieces under furniture. Let them build their castles, race their cars, and have their tea parties all within this magic circle. You can finally relax on the couch with a cup of coffee, knowing that the mess isn't spreading to every nook and cranny of your home. No more lost puzzle pieces or stepping on a stray block in the middle of the night. Now for the best part. When it's time to clean, just grab the four corners and lift toys magically bundled together in the center. This is where the real magic happens. It's like a giant soft pouch. All those scattered toys slide right into the middle, creating a neat little bundle. It's incredibly satisfying to watch it all come together so effortlessly. No more bending, no more scooping, just a simple lift. From there, you just carry it over and pour straight into the storage bin. It takes seconds, no back pain. Imagine that cleanup finished in less than a minute. You can either dump the whole bundle into a large toy box or at least sort them out since they all in one place. It's a total game changer for busy parents who want to reclaim their time and their sanity. And just like that, boom, spotless floor, happy kids, and zero stress for you. This hack saves my sanity every single day. Look at that clean floor. It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? This simple trick has transformed our daily routine, making playtime more fun and cleanup completely painless. Give it a try and see how it changes your life. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily doses of life hacks and more. Thanks for watching.